Welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how you can create your account on Linktree platform. This tutorial is step by step, so make sure you follow carefully. Firstly, you have to go on main page linktree.com. You will spot typable box where you can put your name. For instance, I will put my own name and go claim your Linktree button. After that, you will be asked for email address, and you can put any email address you want to be associated with your Linktree account. I will put my main address here. Second step is password. Make sure you put strong one because we don't want cyber criminals to take over our account. Third step will be your name. Here you just put your own first and last name, and it's nothing complicated. Then you will be asked why you wanna use Linktree, and you can put any niche here. It's not really important, to be honest. After you're done doing that, you will get option where you can get starter, pro and premium plan for reasonable price, but at this time I will only go for free plan. Your registration is now completed. You must only click continue to my Linktree and you have access to your account. Thank you guys for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like and hit subscribe button for more tutorials like this.